Okay, let's talk about my top three reasons why your Google business profile isn't getting you any calls, or you're not showing up in search, or you're just not getting any business or calls from your Google business profile. And I think this should give you some insight into three really big mistakes that can have a major impact if you're not getting leads, and gives you some things to address, right? So with that, let me just kind of get into it. Number three is not having strong keywords in your business name. Now, I am not an advocate for spamming this. I'm not an advocate for doing too much craziness here. But if your name is John's on Google Business and you're a plumber and you're not even John's Plumbing, I see this a lot of times where people don't even have plumber or plumbing or HVAC or air conditioning repair. They don't even have their service mentioned in the name of their business. Now, do not change this on your own. This can get you suspended very easily. You have to do this a certain way, but not having the right name or the right keywords in your name is going to be a huge detriment to where you show up on Google Maps and your ability to rank and get leads from customers. So that's my third, number three. Now let's go to number two, which is low number of reviews or a low review total score, or no recent reviews. So reviews. If you're in a position where you haven't got reviews for a long time, or you just have a low review number, like under 20, under 30, under 50, just depends on where you are, what your competition looks like, all that, under 100. Or you have a low review score, like under a 4, maybe even under a, 4.5. I'd say under a 4. If your total review score is in the 3 or 2, that is going to have a major impact on your ability to get new customers from your Google business profile and Google Maps. So that is the number 2 reason that I see why people aren't getting calls or leads. And that brings me to the number 1 reason people are not getting leads from Google Maps. And that is the wrong category, wrong primary category. I see this all the time where people are not in the right primary category. And this will have an absolutely disastrous effect for your Google business profile. And you're going to have a bad time. If you're in the wrong primary category, it's going to hurt you. So these 3, I think that gives you a really good list of things to look at if you're not getting calls from your Google business profile. And if you want more insight or information, feel free to reach out to me, josh@brightbeamseo.com. You can download our How to Do SEO with Local SEO with Google Maps download at brightbeamseo.com, or you can reach out to me there. I'd love to talk more about your business. That's what I got. We'll see you tomorrow.